Understanding underwater signals in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English phrases with a focus on underwater signals. This term might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry. We're here to explore its meanings and uses, making sure you can confidently incorporate it into your conversations or writing. So, let's get started and uncover the depths of this interesting phrase together. Underwater signals primarily refers to methods of communication used below the surface of the water. This can include a variety of techniques, from acoustic signals, which are sounds transmitted through water, to visual cues, such as hand signals used by scuba divers. These signals are crucial for navigation, coordination, and safety in underwater environments. Understanding this literal meaning is essential for grasping the broader uses of the phrase in the English language. Beyond its direct meaning, underwater signals can also be used metaphorically. In a broader context, it might describe any form of communication that is not immediately obvious or is done in a hidden manner. For example, a person might send underwater signals to indicate interest or disapproval without saying so directly. This metaphorical use taps into the idea of subtlety and depth in communication, echoing the way that actual underwater signals work, effectively, but without being seen or heard by everyone. To help you better understand how to use underwater signals, here are a few examples. 1. Literal use. The scuba diving team practiced their underwater signals before descending to the shipwreck. 2. Metaphorical use. In the tense meeting, she sent underwater signals to her colleague to avoid the topic. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, illustrating both its literal and metaphorical applications. And that's a wrap on underwater signals. We've explored its meanings from the depths of the ocean to the subtleties of human communication. Remember, the beauty of the English language lies in its vast ocean of phrases and expressions, each with its unique nuances and contexts. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, underwater signals, for you, and we're excited to see how you'll use it in your own English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video adventure.